a strong character, has made a positive contribution to the school community, and excelled both academically and in at least one non-academic area. Scholastically, Patrick is at the top of his class, is a member of the Cum Laude Society, and has been named an Advanced Placement Scholar with distinction. After a couple of years without peer tutoring at his school, Patrick was able to reinstate this program and now not only tutors students himself, but is responsible for other students tutoring as well. This past summer, as a member of the 2010 Expatriate Youth Volunteer Service Program in Taiwan, which is the Red Cross overseas, Patrick experienced life in a poverty-stricken town in the countryside. For 3 weeks, he actively volunteered days and often well into the night, sweeping and cleaning people's homes and streets, talking to and performing for the elderly and doing odd jobs in local hospitals. At the end of his 3 weeks overseas, Patrick received an Outstanding Volunteer Award. He will continue to be active in his community as he looks forward to pursuing a degree in actuarial science next year at college. It is our pleasure to introduce Patrick Liu as Wardlaw Hartridge's Rotary Club Student of the Month for September. Please join me in welcoming Patrick.
Everyone hear me? It's working? Okay. Good morning, everyone. First off, I would just like to acknowledge Mr. Mariani and my mom for personally being here today with me. It means a lot to me, and I would also like to thank the rest of the WH staff and all my teachers who have chosen me to be the September High School Rotary Senior of the Month. It is a great and meaningful experience for me to be here and accept this award today. But I do so with the knowledge that I am merely only one individual who is part of a much broader stream. A stream of young people who are out doing volunteer work to make a difference. A stream of teenagers who do not believe they are only the future, but are what they make of it today. Growing up in a rather happy and peaceful community of Edison, I have always been encouraged by my family to give back to society and to be thankful for the life I have. Living by these principles has always pushed me and motivated me to both start and continue community service throughout my whole life. I first started volunteering through Tzu Chinese School when I was in the 6th grade. At Tzu, people are often encouraged to help each other and protect the environment. We first started out with basic activities such as cleaning the beach and recycling, but we eventually continued onto more difficult projects such as delivering supplies to rural areas and building shelters. After 5 years, volunteering is a collective experience that has completely changed me. It has changed my opinions and gave me several experiences that are extremely meaningful to my life. Today, I'm involved in a variety of organizations, still at Tzu, Red Cross, and I even restarted my own school club, Peer Tutoring. Thank you for providing me with this award today. Though my intentions for being an active member of the community groups are not for recognition or award, I am very honored to be presented and commended for my efforts at this breakfast. I will use this award as encouragement to continue my efforts to help the community and use my talents for the good of others and the better of society. Thank you.